original, girl, you want a replica. No. Smoothie, no regular. No. Make it for real, I'm pretty pa my cellular. No. You won't say it hot. No.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just miss me with the drama. At least you come here with the commas. Oh, DJ turn the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. Jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 break it up, up. You know I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 break it up, up. You know I love to make it.
Only gotta make a call and I'm here. I'm the one to know your vibe, oh yeah. Listen to me, I put some carrots in your hair. Make a stitch up, I want to put it in the rear. Wanna give D, I serve it like a dealer. You been out there, I'm digging in the middle. I'm breaking your word, it doesn't feel no better. Look every picture, I'm proud of right. Shit tough, you know what.
Good morning, people. How are you? I'm tired. Ain't gonna lie. Yesterday I couldn't introduce the video. Let me introduce. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I go by the name DK, and this is my channel. So yesterday I couldn't talk to you guys because I had to wake up in the morning, go to my nails, come back. It was late. It was time for us to leave to the airport, and narelama hurry up. But anyway, yeah, man. So this is the video that I'll be vlogging my Cape Town experience. By the way, it's my first time in Cape Town, and yeah, I'm here with my family. So yeah. So today is day 2, as the 14th of December. Yeah, I don't know what's the plan for today, but now I'm in my breakfast dress. I'm going to chow breakfast. So I've showered, I've done everything. My eyelashes. My eyelashes are brown. Not the extensions are brown, because the individual ones are brown, because I couldn't find the black ones. I was like, hey Baba, I have a mascara, I will figure it out pambili. I will just see kopelo wetala. So every time I wear this, I apply mascara on top so that they can have the black color. Either way, guys, I don't like my nails. I don't like my nails. Look, I don't like those things. I don't like them, because I'll show you what I wanted, and this is what I got. I don't like it, but what can you say? Hey, what can you say? So yeah, I also did my toes, but probably y'all will see my toes. I don't know, I don't think so, but yeah. So now I'm off to breakfast, and see y'all. So guys, we decided that we're going to the Atlantic Dunes. Yeah. Okay. So and that's my OOTD. Yo guys, this is my OOTD. Yeah, and after that we're going to the beach.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I search to find the love within. I came back to let you know, got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a daze of your love to see. I came back to let you know, got a thing for you, and I can't go. Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they dream of. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't. Gotta think of you. I can't.
Guys, we had Cam's Bay, by the way. Guys, the water here is so cold. What? But ngingenile yazini Jojo yabanda la amanzi wala ayabanda ten. Hey, kodwa sathini dog.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you off. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up.
Hi guys, it's been a minute. Yeah. So today we're off to VNA with a friend, and I'm kind of not feeling well. I have some fever, but yeah, man.
Seem to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? Finding rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby. Driving on my empty mind, shit.
It's raining, guys. I hate it when it's like this, cause I'm too feeling.
It's just urgent. Trying to make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of Wayne, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I'll wave my arm, will feel it and smile. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always inside, good days in my mind. Help me on my fears, my legs.
So it's been a minute since I spoke to you guys, and I know I promised to like be consistent. Okay, not be consistent, but like speak to you guys, update you on everything. But like, hey, some of the days it was way by I would wake up late. I have to shower before going to breakfast, and I don't have time to talk to you. When I come back from breakfast, I have to I have to change into like our attire and stuff. So on Saturday we went to the beach. Okay, yeah, also that part. And then on Sunday we decided to go to Sea Point. We went to Mojo Market, and I can't remember, but you also what was going on either way. And yesterday it was Monday, and we didn't do a lot. We went to VNA for a boat cruise, and that was it. So today is Tuesday. We live in Cape Town, and we're using a bus. Imagine, yo. But anyway, yeah, we're using a bus. So guys, my voice, I'm sick. I'm so sick because this weather in Cape Town is, it's unpredictable. Dog, I started being sick from Sunday evening. Finally, I'm done with this place. I hate the weather. Everything is nice, but I hate the weather. So yeah, my face is so dry. I have to like apply my ointment. But anyway, so I will drop a video where I'll be doing a road trip from Cape Town to Pretoria, because yeah,